using SDE tool of Sentaurus TCAD. So this is the .hcm file made using commands. So the first two commands show dimension of P and N region. Then we have doped P region with boron, concentration 1e17, and then we have doped N region with phosphorus, concentration 1e17. Then we have set contacts for P region and N region, and then we have done meshing for the whole device, and then meshing for the junction, and then we have saved this .hcm file. Obtain IV characteristic for suitable anode voltage sweep. So this is the .cmd file that we have made. We have set voltage at 0.8 volt to P region in one of the CMD file, and then we will create one more CMD file in another folder, setting its voltage at -3 volt. As we can see, it is -3 voltage given. We will obtain graphs for IV characteristic. So we will now select PLT file from the CMD file of 0.8 volt, and then we will select one more PLT file from the folder of -3 volt. Then we will select both these files, select P region, output voltage to x-axis and total current to y-axis. So we can see we have obtained IV characteristic. So the red curve shows forward bias total current rising after the threshold is attained, and the green curve shows reverse saturation total current that is constant for the device. So we can change the naming also. X-axis is voltage, y is total current, electric field along diode length at different voltages like 0 volt, 0.2 volt, 0.8 volt and at -3 volt. So this is the CMD file that I have shown earlier also. So in this I have given a voltage of 0.8 volt, and we have given a range from 0 to 1 and interval of 4. So this range will represent TDR file, like 0 will represent 0 TDR file, 0.2 will be represented by 1 TDR file, and 0.8 will be represented by 4th TDR file. In a similar way, -3 volt CMD file will also work. So now we will see the electric field plot in S. So we will select TDR file for 0 volt. Then we will create a cut line. We will select another TDR file for 0.2 volt. In a similar way, we will again create cut line. And now for 4th TDR file for 0.8 volt. And last for -3 volt. Now we will select all these files and select diode length to x-axis and electric field to y-axis. So this is the plot for electric field for different voltages. So we can change the naming. As we know, electric field is formed due to ions in depletion region. The positive ion on N side of depletion region and negative ions on P side of depletion region, leading to the formation of built-in electric field in depletion region. The more is the voltage applied, forward bias condition, less is the depletion region. Less is ion present in depletion region, less variation in electric field. So the reason behind the negative voltage showing more variation in electric field is that when we apply negative voltage, reverse bias condition, depletion width increases, resulting in more number of ions in depletion region and resulting in more variation in electric field. Now we will obtain energy band diagram at 0 volt, 0.8 volt and at -3 volt. So we will see in S visual. So we will select TDR file at 0 volt, create a cut line, conduction band energy to y-axis, valence band energy to y-axis, and for Fermi we will see quasi-Fermi potential. So this is energy band diagram at 0 volt. So we can change the naming in a similar way. Energy band diagram at 0 volt. Now we will obtain energy band diagram at 0.8 volt. So we will select this TDR file, create a cut line, select this file, conduction band energy to y-axis, valence band energy to y-axis, then electron Fermi potential, then we will do negative of this function, and then whole quasi-Fermi potential, negative of this also. So this is the energy band diagram at 0.8 volt. In a similar manner we will change the naming, diode length, energy band diagram at 0.8 volt. Now we will obtain energy band diagram at -3 volt. So we will select file from -3 folder, TDR file. In a similar manner, creating a cut line. So this is energy band diagram for -3 volt. So this is energy band diagram at -3 volt. So we can also obtain electron and hole density. So we will select a new plot, select this file, X on x-axis, then hole density to y-axis and electron density to y-axis. So this is the curve showing electron and hole density in PN region.